In 2023, Skoda Auto opened a brand new, state-of-the-art modelling centre. Its high standards reflect the importance of accurate models in the automotive industry. The basic material for model making are polyurethane boards of various density. Their density is selected by the engineering department based on the model's intended use, which sometimes even requires embedding a platform and power unit. Engineering drawings and models in progress reveal little about the shape of the future vehicle. Its actual contours and details are created by machine tools. Step by step, the exact look of the as-yet non-existent vehicle is beginning to emerge. It looks like magic with no human involvement. In reality, however, it is the result of the work of experienced experts developing programming and machining strategy for 5-axis machines. Thanks to their size, these machines can also create full-size vehicle models. The 3 large 5-axis machines are the true heart of the modelling department. They are able to shape an object several meters in length to a precision of 0.05 of a millimeter. Manual surface finishing of both individual parts and entire models requires perfect mastery of the craft. The result must be as perfect as on mass-produced vehicles. Another way to improve the model's quality is applying epoxy modelling paste before final shaping. A 3-centimeter layer of the epoxy paste also came into play when the modelling department was transformed into a sculpting studio at the request of the marketing department. Vehicle sculptures inspired by the development visions of designers seem almost dreamlike, but they are created using the same process as regular models. These include, for example, a model for wind tunnel testing, which can withstand airspeed of up to 140 kilometers per hour. Showing exactly what the future vehicle will look like, final models are the modelling department's top products. The production standards of the interior models are the same. However, the interior's proportions are first verified on special models designed for ergonomic evaluation. These are part of the modelling department's regular output, alongside design studies and full-size proportions models. Production accuracy is continuously checked by laser scanners. In vehicle development, design and vision are paired with technical aspects. Models give designers and engineers the possibility to fine-tune the aesthetics and functionality of individual parts, as well as of the whole vehicle. Development always starts with just a vision. A virtual model makes it more concrete, but it's the physical model that transforms that vision into reality one can touch. The physical model also acts as a template for mass production, such as compression and injection molds. So it all comes down to tenths of a millimeter.